I know what happens to your altcoin portfolio if Donald Trump wins. We're going to be looking at meme coins and we're going to be looking at altcoins with strong fundamentals. If Donald Trump wins, one is going to be a huge winner and the other sector is going to struggle. And folks, this thesis is very surprising and it comes from a Columbia Business School professor. And I actually, once I read it and dug into it, I agreed with it totally. And so he is saying we're going to have a different outcome for meme coins and strong projects here. So the market cap for meme coins is strong. Solana AI kind of leading the way. But what happens if Donald Trump wins? How will the election results affect meme coins? Now, if Trump wins, the Republican Party might relax certain policies for altcoins, and we're going to talk about which specific altcoins in a minute that is going to be the major winners, enabling fee switches and token dividends to benefit token holders. If we get clear SEC guidelines, clear SEC guidance on what to do with the crypto industry, I could expect a lot of money to be diverted away from meme coins. And so if Donald Trump wins, the clear guidelines will give us a green light to invest in strong altcoins that have been under scrutiny from the SEC. We're going to name 5 of them and we're going to look at their price action in just a little bit. Now, Nick Carter also agrees with this take right here. Meme coins are simple and people like them because their distribution is more fair, but they have little benefit or value. And so in a world where coins have more utility, aren't regulated to death, meme coins are less appealing. And so part of the reason meme coins are so popular is partly in response to the reaction from the SEC's oppressive regulation. So we know investing in these strong projects, you might get rug pulled by the US government. And so why not just buy a meme coin that might get rug pulled because it would have higher profits. So let's talk about what coins and why we're talking about these coins. And then folks, we're going to dive into the prices. Now, first, SEC sued Binance, but also the SEC sued Coinbase. So Coinbase is facing a lawsuit and Binance is facing a lawsuit. And in these lawsuits, they named certain coins. That is right. The SEC gave us the guidelines for the coins that they hate. And so if we get a friendly SEC, we know these coins have been suppressed by the uncertainty, suppressed by Gary Gensler's hatred for these coins. What coins are we looking at? We're looking at 5 of them, folks, and these coins are named in both of these lawsuits. Now, we're going to be looking at Solana, Cardano, Polygon, and then we're also going to be looking at Filecoin, plus a 5th one. The 5th one is named in the Coinbase lawsuit. The Coinbase lawsuit, here you can see Solana, Cardano, Polygon, and Filecoin, but then we're throwing in a dark horse candidate, which is Near Protocol. So let's look at these price actions real quick. Now, Solana, you can see slightly down from its all-time high. It was above 250. Cardano, well below its all-time high. Near Protocol, well below its all-time high. Polygon, also well below its all-time high. And Filecoin, way down below its all-time high. Here you can see this coin is deep in the red. So I pulled up one of the DZ patented spreadsheets. We haven't done this one in a while. And folks, I want to give you a little bit of a warning on Filecoin. We're going to explain why this 98% isn't quite as scary as what you're seeing, meaning, maybe you won't have the gains. Now, Solana, all-time high 260, current price 180. We're down 31%. Cardano's down 89%, Near down 78%. So not quite as bad. Polygon, 89%. And Filecoin, look at that, 98% down. Now, where's going to be the opportunity? Now, Solana, pretty close to its all-time high. I still think it's going to be a strong project that will get a huge bounce off a new SEC chair if we can replace Gary Gensler. Now, Cardano, I expect a very, very good pump as well. But Near, I think Near could actually have the biggest gains out of all of these. Here you can see, it is well down below its all-time high. But when you look at this, you don't feel like the project is dead. When you look at Near and you look at Near over the past year, I'm not trying to rhyme there, Near over the past year looks like there's a lot of life in this altcoin. Here you can see it peaked in March with Bitcoin's all-time high, and now we got Bitcoin knocking on the door of a fresh all-time high. So I expect Near to perform very bullishly, and I expect this price action to be quite explosive. Look how explosive this move was in March. We're about to zoom in. Now in March, you can see we started at $4.05. This is March 1st. This is below where we're at, $4.47. And you can see over the next about 2 weeks, March 14th, you can see that it over doubled in price, reaching $8.74. So Near can move very, very quickly. Even though it has a $5 billion market cap, this $5 billion could turn into $10 billion very quickly. So do not sleep on Near. Now we go back to the spreadsheet here. Polygon, Polygon's going through some issues. They are migrating their chain. Not a lot of excitement. I see a lot of opportunity in Polygon. And then we have Filecoin. I said there was a warning about Filecoin. Well, the warning comes from token dilution. Now, if we look at the market cap, it looks a lot different. The market cap, we don't have a 98% retracement. We're only down about 85%. Market cap hit above 12 billion, and then right now we're sitting around above 2 billion. So expect a Filecoin to maybe not jump a 50x to reach all-time highs. Market cap, it isn't a 50x. It's only going to be a 6x. But when you look at the price is close to a 50x. So a lot of people are going to be waiting for a 50x on Filecoin. Not going to happen. But I think a 6x is very, very good. And I think a 6x is quite possible. Now, if I was to buy just one coin, folks, I am leaning towards Near. I think there's a lot of attention on AI, and Near, I think, is going to capitalize off of this attention. And so these are the prices. These are the coins. And the reason why is this lawsuit. Once we get some clarity, and especially if the SEC drops these lawsuits, these 5 altcoins are going to skyrocket, folks. So don't get caught on the sidelines. Remember, if Trump wins, we have strong projects are going to have a huge bounce, but those meme coins might be hurting, folks. That's all I got. Hopefully I'll see you in these strong fundamental projects.